How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without cable. If you just switch from an iPhone to an Android device and want to transfer your WhatsApp chats, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to do this without using a cable. That's right, no physical connection needed. So let's dive right in. Before we start, make sure both your iPhone and Android device have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Head over to App Store and search for WhatsApp. And if there's an update available, simply update it. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to settings from here go to chats and then on chat backup. Here you'll want to make sure that your chats are backed up to iCloud. If you haven't backed up your chats recently, hit the backup now. Next, switch over to the Android device. Make sure your Android phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network and that it's ready for WhatsApp installation. Download WhatsApp from Google Play Store if you haven't already, and once it's installed, open the app. Now you'll be asked to verify your phone number on the Android. Enter the same number that was used on your iPhone for WhatsApp. Make sure it's the exact same number for the transfer to work. Once your phone number is verified, you'll see a screen asking if you want to restore your chats. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Move Chats to Android. Scroll down, and here, as you can see, and this feature is part of WhatsApp new cross-platform chat transfer tool. Tap on it and WhatsApp will guide you through the process of transferring your chats. This may involve scanning a QR code on your iPhone to confirm the transfer. On your iPhone, WhatsApp will display a QR code. Using your Android device, scan the code to start the chat transfer process. Once the QR code is scanned, WhatsApp will begin transferring your chats from iPhone to Android. Make sure both devices stay connected to Wi-Fi during this process.